Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to invite people to your Google Meet. And I will show you exactly as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, first of all, search for Google Meet, just like this, and then click here on Google Meet. Then we can enter a code or link that we receive from someone, but we want to create a new meeting. So we click on New Meeting and then you can do Schedule or you can do Start an Instant Meeting. We will do that. Then right here, you can invite people on two different ways. The first way is to copy this link and send him this in an email or on WhatsApp or whatever you like. And then when he clicks on that code, he can join your meeting. The other way is click on Add Others and then search for a person that you want to invite. Just like this, click on that and then do Send Email. And right now he can join your meet with clicking on that email. So these are the two ways how you can invite people to join your Google Meet. Alright, this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.